Hello, my friends. Hello, my followers. Hello, family. I really need your help, right? I really need your help. And the reason why I need your help is because of the video I would like you to watch in a minute, right? And then we'll talk after the video. Please watch this video. I really plead with you to watch this video. Please watch it. And then we'll talk after the video. Thank you. All right, the water you see here is the water that people in Yilokrobo, in a village called Rapon, this is the water they drink. This is the water they use for everything. This is the water they use to cook, right? And this is the water the kids going to school, they drink, right? I am upset. I am sad, right? And I nearly cried watching this, right? I nearly cried. I've got tears in my eyes when I saw this video. Right, please watch all this video. Watch it. They interview the people in the village, so please watch their interview and listen to what they say. They had to say, right? Really bad, really bad. Listen to what they have to say. Please watch this video. Watch all the video. Please do. Okay, let's talk after this video. Please let's talk. Please watch it.
I can't speak very well. Speak English. So is this the water you people have been drinking?
Please, yes.
This
yes.
color of this water?
Yes.
Are you sure?
This is our natural water that we've been using. No any other source.
No any other source?
Yes. This is the water.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
I will not lie you. If you look at this area, you can take the picture. Look at how massive it is.
So you have been drinking this water for how many years now?
Roughly from 20 to 15 years ago. But then the community was not developed, so it was flowing. But when the community has been developed, then it carries all the sun and everything, so it has locked here, and then the water ceases. So it couldn't flow again. Let me carry it. Go and put it to the barrel. Eh? Let me carry you too. Okay. There. Okay, I want to Tommy. Oh, no. Good. Okay. You go and fetch this one. I'll carry it.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you for taking your time. Now, I've been helping some villages. I've helped some villages with boreholes before. But this is getting too much and I can't do this on my own anymore. Right? I need your help. I can't do this on my own anymore. So the help I need is, can we all come together, contribute some money, right? And drill a borehole, right? Or a tap for them to use in this village. I really need your help. If we all come together, right? The tiny money that we put together, right, will amount to something that we can use to build a tap for them, right? Or a borehole for them. I really need your help. If you are anywhere you are in this world, I need your help. If you are a Krobo, then this is your job, right? It is our job to make sure these people have good water to drink. So although we are begging other people to help, if you are a Krobo, this should be your responsibility. We should all come together. Please. I can't do this on my own. I cannot do this on my own. I need your help. I really need your help. So anywhere you are, please get in contact. If you can help, please get in contact and let's help these people, right? Human beings should not be drinking that kind of water, right? In this 21st century, human beings should not be drinking. And the politicians should be ashamed of themselves. But please, the politicians will not do it. Our leaders will not do it. So let's come together and do this. So anywhere you are, Yilo, Upper, Lower Manya, anywhere you are, please help. If you are anywhere, Kumasi, anywhere you are, Accra, Adam, Pram, everywhere you are, anywhere you are, Central, anywhere you are in Ghana, anywhere you are in the world, America, UK, anywhere you are, please, Europe, please help. Please get in contact and let's help these people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.